Hi, everyone. Welcome to Vividly You podcast with your host, Toya Thrives. So, happy Saturday, everyone. I wanted to come on today and talk about the Be Your Own Content Bestie workshop series. It is a four-part series, which will be starting January 22nd, which is my birthday. So you not only get a workshop, but you get to celebrate with me on my birthday, and you get cake. So if you have not had Kimmy Heart Sweets, you will be in for a treat that day. She will be doing my birthday cake. She has been doing my birthday cakes probably for the past, since she started doing cakes. She does all our family cakes, treats, cookies. So if you're looking for a person who bakes with such as cake pops, cookies, birthday cakes, all of that, she's your girl. You can follow her, Cammy Heart Sweets on Instagram. So the location of the Be Your Own Content Bestie workshop series will be at Flourish. And if you have not visited Flourish yet here in Tyler, I advise you to go. The spot is so beautiful. It's calming. So many great ideas and events have flourished and come about in that facility, and Be Your Own Content Bestie was one of them. So they are a co-working. So if you are looking for somewhere to co-work with others and just, if you're tired of, if you work from home and you just want that adult company, talking to other people, or if you work in your office and it's just you and you just need just a different space, a different environment, I highly suggest you visit flourishnonprofits.com to check out the deals and the packages that they have going on. They also are doing weekly events to help nonprofits, business owners, entrepreneurs, all of that good stuff. So reach out to them at flourishnonprofits.com. So now let's talk about Be Your Own Content Bestie. Like I said, the first one will be January 22nd, and they'll be on the fourth Wednesday of the month from 11:30 to 1:30. Also, the next one will be February 26th, March 26th, and April 23rd. You can get all this information on the website, thrivingdailymedia.com, or you can follow us on all of our social media pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Toya Thrives, or at Thriving Daily Media. So Be Your Own Content Bestie is going to show you how to gather your own content, do your own content, from your own photography to your own videos. I'm giving you tips on which apps to use, tips on how these apps work. My goal is for you to leave this workshop with plan and action, with some actual content that you can use on your social media platforms. And then just to show you, especially if you are a speaker, presenter, or anything, and it's not in your budget to hire a social media content creator to go with you, or a travel content creator to go with you, but just to show you how to gather your own content. All you really need is a phone, tripod, and some good lighting. And what I'll be doing is bringing some of my things that I use, some of my lighting, my tripods, some of the things that I've just invested in over the years and over these past few months. I love TikTok Shop. I'm probably getting every gadget that pops up on my timeline. But Be Your Own Content Bestie it's casual, it's laid back, and we have fun. We're gonna have interactions. It is a working interactive workshop. And like I said, the atmosphere is absolutely amazing. So I just want to shout out Patricia Glass and Michelle Kenyon for being so supportive and awesome during this Be Your Own Content Bestie series. We hosted our first kickoff in December, just getting people a feel of what Be Your Own Content Bestie is. So this one will be, like I said, a 4-part series. And for all 4 workshops, it's really a good rate. It's $100. And if you just choose to want to go to just the workshops individually, it's $30. but you do have to register and you do have to sign up, please, because space is limited. And I don't want it to be overcrowded to where I can't help people or, when you have questions, I want to be able to be involved with you when you're creating your content, when you have these ideas. So space is really limited to no more than 15 to 20 people max. We will also, haven't officially announced this just yet, but we will also be coming to Longview, Texas in February. So those dates, times, and locations will be announced as well. So I'm looking forward to that collaboration. And when we come to Longview, we plan to do one during the lunch hour and then one that evening as well. Because I do know some people work during the day and they're not able to attend the lunch hour workshops. So here in Tyler, I plan to do an evening workshop as well. So just be on the lookout for those dates and those times because I do want to be able to help those who work during the day or who just can't get away during the middle of the day to attend workshops or luncheons. But I'm really excited about 2025. So many things that I am going to do that I planned. I'm probably traveling some more, which I actually love traveling and doing content with entrepreneurs, business owners. So if you're looking for a travel content person, I'm your girl. When I go with you to your event, it's all about you. I want to make sure I'm able to cover and do the things that you need me to do, get that footage from different angles that you need so you're able to use that on your social media platforms, as well as help you put it together if you need me to do that as well. So here's some other things. I know we were talking about be your own content bestie, but I want to talk about some of the other things that I get to do in 2025. And one of those is Love Thy City. Love Thy City in 2024, like really just, it did something to me spiritually, emotionally, physically. It was one of the best projects I've ever worked on. Just seeing the city of Tyler, East Texas come together at Love Thy City Day, we're giving away by school supplies, food, the food truck vendors, like let's talk about the food truck vendors. I know in 2025, we will need a lot of food truck vendors. So if you are a food truck vendor, I need you to reach out to me so I can just notate your name. And when we start our list of looking for food truck vendors, we definitely want you to be a part. And you don't have to be local. You can be in Dallas, Louisiana to be a part of Love Thy City. We are definitely expanding this year. So we're looking for more volunteers as well. You can visit lovethycity.com. Shout out to our leader, Bishop-elect Marcus Pearson, our executive director, creative, amazing person, Lennon Thomas. Y'all, the graphics that you saw for Love Thy City, Lennon created those. I tell you, he is a creative genius. Man, he's one of a kind. So I'm not for sure if he's doing graphics for people, but hey, if you need a graphic designer, holler at me and I will connect you. Lennon, look, I hope don't get mad at me, but I'm getting you some business. So but yeah, Love Thy City Day. Y'all, we have 2025. It's literally all gas, no break. Love Thy City is bringing some amazing people, some amazing things to the community, to the city. So if you want to be a part, whether that is volunteer, sponsored, donate, any of that, let me know. You can send an email to info@lovethycity.org. So follow us also on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok at Love Thy City. Well, let's see what else I get to do this year. So I get to be a part of East Texas Wedding Extravaganza. I will be doing their content that day. So I'm looking forward to that. So all my brides to be, I need you at WT Brookshire Conference Center, January 25th. Tickets are on sale. Doors open 12:30, and you need to go ahead and pick out your dress at one of the dress boutiques, or just book an appointment to go and visit those boutiques. Also, your grooms may get their tugs, cakes, jewelry. There's hotels that will be there. There's tons of prizes that will be given away, y'all. There's some good prizes too. If you go on the I Do Bridal um, Facebook page, you will see all the prizes that will be given away that day. There will also be a fashion show. So if you've gone to any of the bridal shows here, you know that the fashion show is amazing. And the dresses that they show, the tuxedos, and just the whole ambiance and atmosphere. Bring your bridesmaids, your besties, your groomsmen. Just make a day out of it. But get your tickets today. It is a ticketed event. So there are so many other things that that are in the works. And I just thank God for just this blessing and to be able to do what I love and do my passion. So also follow Vividly You podcast at our YouTube channel, Vividly You podcast, and stay tuned for that's something that's new for me as well. It's a new name. I've been podcasting for 5 years this year, 2025. I'm celebrating 5 years in podcasting. Yay. So, but yeah, so with Vividly You, our guests will come on and share their journey, wisdom, knowledge. We'll have a little fun. We're going to throw in some social media marketing, networking, all that good stuff. We're going to put that on Vividly You podcast, as well as we may shed a few tears, laugh, all of that good stuff. So those shows will air on Wednesdays. I will get back to you with a time. So it's just how it is, right? But yeah, so I just wanted to come on and say again, a happy Saturday. Thank y'all so much for the support, for the tags, the inboxes, the text messages, the calls. If you need anything, if you're looking to hire a travel content person, reach out to me, info@thrivingdailymedia.com, and we can definitely talk and hopefully be able to collaborate in 2025. Everyone, I hope you have a blessed and amazing weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.